Hi guys, so today, hi guys, I'm Emma. So today I'm going to show you how to be pretty in Roblox without Robux. So as you can see, I have 0 Robux. So then you go in catalog. Then you go in clothing. You have to do pants, do free. It's here. And then you're going to do jean shirts, and again, I have already this item in my inventory, so make sure to get, and then you're going to go in avatar. I already have this, but I did my t-shirt. You have to do your t-shirt if you want to, if you want Adidas shirt, you're going to tape Adidas background. You go in pictures, and you're going to choose one you want. It's just like really pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna choose. This one. It's a pretty big one. You're going to do copy. You're going just to do Adidas, that's all. You're going to develop, and we're going to t-shirts and create a t-shirt. Make sure to have a fill, because it's not going to work. So but if it won't work, you're going to, and you do, and you do, and then going to see what you just did. So, then here, and you upload it, and then you're going to wait like this, and like you're going to do edit avatar, and you're going to click on it here. See, but how to have a body like this, I'm going to show you. You're going to skin tone. You're going to do this. Then you're going to see advanced in here, you click on it, and you go in torso, and you're going to choose the color with your t-shirt. Like right now it's really pretty, but if you think it's not pretty, you can change the hair and do straight one, because I know it's like macaroni and cheese, but this is like grapes and this is like bacon. So we are going to choose one of these, but I think this one is like macaroni and cheese, but this one is the perfect one. But if you want, you can pick another hair. I don't know if there's another hair in here, but let's see. Oh, that's all. So okay. Then we're going in avatar again, and if you want to, you can do another one, and body, skin tone, torso, and done. Now is like really pretty. But if you want, you can change the pants into a cool one. Free. Here. You're going to see a really cool pants. Like this one. Oh, this one is really cool. Let's body, skin tone. Sorry, it was not body. Let's play. We're going to see if there's another one. We are just going to see. Not this color. By the way, let's just do this one because it's the prettiest one, so. Then you're going to see you're really pretty now. And guys, please subscribe and like. And comment down below what you want to do next time. Bye!